In this video, I'm going to continue working on this VEX clawbot assembly. In particular, I'm going to work on this arm assembly, the arm subassembly. Start off by creating a new assembly. And place your first component, the subassembly claw. Right mouse button, place grounded at origin. Look at your front view and rotate around such that this is facing the screen, this view. Select this context menu. Set current view as front. Place your next component. This C channel with 20 holes. Right mouse button, rotate on Z. Right mouse button, rotate on X. Place your component. Right mouse button, OK. Select Constraint, Insert. This arm channel is going to sit between these two gussets. Select this diameter on the surface of the channel and this inside diameter on the surface of the flange. Apply. Mate. And mate this axis with this axis. Apply, cancel. Place your next components. This nut, 832 nylock. Place two of them. Select Constraint, Insert, and select this diameter and this diameter. Apply this diameter and this diameter. Apply and cancel. Place your next components. This 832 1.5 inch long screw. Right mouse button, rotate on Z. Right mouse button, rotate on Z. Place two parts. Right mouse button, OK. Constraint. Insert. Select this diameter and this diameter. Apply. Apply and cancel. Place your next component. This cap nut, 832 cap nut. Rotate on Y once and rotate on Y again. Place four of them. Right mouse button, OK. Select Constraint and Insert. Select that diameter and the diameter on the inside surface of the C channel. Apply. You can insert this one on the fifth hole right there. Select this diameter and this diameter. Apply. apply, apply, and cancel. Place your next component. This 84 tooth gear. Place two of the gears. Right mouse button OK. Select constraint, insert, select this diameter and this diameter, apply, and cancel. I'm going to rotate the gear such that these holes are aligned, that this hole on the gear is aligned with this hole on the C channel. Constrain. We're going to mate the axis on the C channel with the axis of the hole. Apply and cancel. I'm going to place our next component. This standoff 1 inch. Select constraint, insert, insert that diameter right there, and apply, and cancel. Select constrain and insert, and select that diameter and this diameter, apply, cancel, rotate the gear, such that these holes are lined up, constrain, and mate this axis on the C channel to that axis on the gear, apply and cancel. Place your next component. This 832 1/4 inch long screw, and place two of them. Constrain, insert this diameter into this diameter, apply, select this diameter and insert it here, apply, cancel. Place your next component. This 832 1/2 inch long screw. Place four of them. Right mouse button, OK. Constrain, insert this diameter there, apply, Go back to your front view and then to your isometric view. Go to Eye Properties and Project. Set your part number to this number here and set your description to subassembly arm. Apply and close. Save your work. Save it under this file name. Go to File, Export to PDF, save your file. Submit the PDF of your screen capture to Canvas to complete your assignment.